In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Cloudflare off, specifically using the option to pause Cloudflare on a site, which is essentially a full shutdown of its services. This can be a particularly useful step if you need to troubleshoot issues or want to temporarily disable Cloudflare's functionalities while maintaining DNS services. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to locate and select the domain for which you want to pause Cloudflare. This is important because each domain can have its own settings, and you'll want to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. Once you've selected your domain, you'll find yourself on the Overview tab. This is your control center for the basic operations of Cloudflare on your domain. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the Advanced Actions section. This is where we'll be making the critical changes. In the Advanced Actions section, you'll see an option to pause Cloudflare on site. Clicking this will signal Cloudflare to stop its reverse proxy on your site. Essentially, this means that any incoming traffic will now bypass Cloudflare and go straight to your origin server. This step is key if you're facing issues that you suspect might be due to Cloudflare's involvement, and you want a clearer picture or need to test without their services in the mix. When you click to pause, you'll need to confirm this action. It's a straightforward confirmation, but remember that once you proceed, all active Cloudflare services, such as the proxy, content delivery network, web application firewall, and even SSL/TLS certificates, will become inactive for your site. It's important to understand that while these services are inactive, DNS resolution is still handled by Cloudflare. This means your domain will resolve, but none of the protective or performance-boosting features will be applied. The traffic to your site will be as it is natively served by your host server. Typically, this process finishes in about 5 minutes or even less. It's a rather quick transition, allowing you to swiftly move on to any tasks you need to address with Cloudflare out of the equation. If you need to restore Cloudflare's services at any point, simply navigate back to the same Overview tab and the Advanced Actions section. You'll find an option to Enable Cloudflare on site, which will promptly restore all functionalities, bringing back all protective and performance-enhancing features to your domain. And there you have it, a simple, clear, and effective way to pause Cloudflare's services on your domain when needed. Whether for troubleshooting or just a temporary suspension, this method ensures you have control over your site's operation while still maintaining DNS management through Cloudflare. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.